In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Morley Robbins root cause protocol supplements without having to pay anything for it. Now, Morley Robbins root cause protocol is very famous to tackle the chronic problems through changes in your food habits, adding a lot of supplements in your diet based on your blood work, and different modalities that you can also follow along with that in order to improve your health, get out of chronic illness, and see the improvement in your overall health. Now, if you want to actually know more about the root cause protocol and the testimonials of people who have been following the protocol or the questions that people are having, you can join the Magnesium Advocacy Group on Facebook. It has more than 200,000 people inside it. And it's a very active group. You can check the discussions, you can search for keywords and get to know what people have followed and what kind of results they have gotten and what kind of problems they have faced and how they have overcome it. So you can join the group for free. And there is also a detailed handbook that you can download freely. I'm going to give you the link in the description. So here you can download the handbook, and you just have to enter your first name, last name, email ID, and then you can download the entire book. Now, here is the RCP handbook. Now, it contains a lot of things which are contained inside the root cause protocol. So, I'm going to walk you through some of them and going to tell you how you can activate the root cause protocol supplements without having to pay anything for it. Now, I'm not suggesting that people should not be investing in their food or supplements. What I'm suggesting is many of the times I have seen that a lot of people find it very difficult to manage the expenses of the supplements incurred to them because there's so many things that you have to buy to kind of balance your mineral levels and balance your hormones and balance different parameters, that the expense that you have to incur each month goes beyond your capacity. So you might want to buy some of the supplements, but if you can't afford them, or if you can't afford all of them, or if you can't afford some of them, you can definitely use this technology called field activator technology to actually take advantage of this and get advantage of actual supplements without having to buy it. Now, if you can afford it, I would recommend you to buy the foods, follow the ancestral diet, follow all the stops and all the supplements that he suggests you to do or suggests you to follow. But if you can't for some reason, there is another way out of it. So this is how you can actually use this technology. But first, let's understand what is actually involved in the root cause protocol methodology. So here's a document I'm going through, and you will see a lot of things. It will educate you on a lot of things, and it will give you links to different groups, social media handles and all. And you will see a lot of things, including the phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 things that you need to do in order to get the full benefits of this protocol. Now, for the stops, you don't need to use any commands. You just need to stop using these things mentioned here. And when it comes to start, there are different things like adrenal cocktail, mineral drops, whole food, vitamin C, magnesium, grass-fed beef liver, whole food, uh, ancestral diet, Mother Nature's B vitamins, whole food E complex, boron, cod liver oil, taurine, diatomaceous earth, iodine, and in the phase X, the things called donating blood, managing histamine levels, start releasing emotional stress, strengthening the bioenergetic field, getting the regular sunlight, and doing the joyful movement. Now, of course, you have to donate the blood. You cannot use any kind of shortcut for that. Uh, for releasing emotional stress, you can definitely use some of the suggestions that he has given, including EFT, then NAET for allergy problems, and different things that you can do for the phase X. But let's talk about the phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Now, if you go to his website, he has actually listed out the possibilities that where you can get all the supplements from. So let's start with the first supplement. So basically, you just want to know that which brands are recommended by Morley Robbins. So if you don't want to buy it, you can just use the commands in order to see the results, or you can actually buy it. So let's start with the first. Usually, when I want to activate something, what I do is I choose USA, Amazon USA, because it has many good and very high quality supplements. And then I check the actual website of certain supplements, or maybe I check Amazon UK, or maybe some other things. But first, I check the supplement on Amazon US. So here you can just choose the USA. You can choose any country you want, but I would stick to USA. I would choose this adrenal cocktail supplement, and I don't need to choose the supplier. And here you can see the recommendation. Now, if you want to activate the supplement, you just click on it and you check that it is a Jigsaw Health brand. The name is adrenal cocktail with whole food vitamin C, and the recommended dose is 6 capsules. Now, when you want to use this technology, first what you have to do is you have to play the field activator file on the loop, or you need to get the laminated printout, colored printout of a mandala, and you have to keep it in your pocket. So you can use either of them. You can use the audio or you can use the mandala. The mandala is the most convenient way. And then you can use these commands: activate field manager, activate field optimizer, and then you use activate Amazon Marketplace Simulator. Now, I chose this supplement, Adrenal Cocktail. So the command looks like this: activate Jigsaw Health Adrenal Cocktail, dose of 6 capsules, eliminate other ingredients. Now, you can do it for all the supplements. If you choose the mineral drops, you will get many recommendations. I would go with this trace minerals concentrates drops, and the serving size is half teaspoon or 40 drops. So let's see the command: activate trace minerals concentrates drops, serving size of half teaspoon, 40 drops. Now you can do it for all the supplements that you want. You can do it for whole food vitamin C. You can do it for oral bag, grass-fed beef liver. You can do it for almost every item. So it will save you huge amounts of money. And I have chosen the good quality supplements that I have actually taken in real life, and some of the best recommendations from Morley Robbins. So I have actually compiled a list. You can also get the link to this so that you can actually get access to these commands also. And so I have used the commands for almost all of the supplements: for whole food vitamin C, oral magnesium, beef liver, B vitamins, vitamin E, taurine, cod liver oil, silica, iodine, and all. So you might want to choose some other brands as well if you are not okay with certain brands. But if you use these commands, you will save a lot of money which you have to spend on this supplement, and you can invest that money on something else, or you can invest that money on actually following the ancestral diet. So this is what you can do to kind of follow the root cause protocol, or get the advantage of root cause protocol supplements without having to buy any of them. And I have actually been using these commands, actually most of them, and the results totally match with the actual supplement, because I have taken some of the supplements in real life, especially boron. I have used the concentrates drops. I have used the beef liver capsules. I have used non fortified nutritional yeast. I have used the North American herb spice purely E. Uh, I have used the cod liver oil. I have used many of the things. So I know how it feels like when you take the real supplements, and what effects I have seen with the commands is exactly same, or sometimes even better than the actual supplement. So it will save you a lot of money, and you can still get all the good effects of the root cause protocols if you can't afford spending huge amounts of money every month on buying all these supplements. So you don't have to wait for the supplements, and you can also eliminate the non-essential ingredients from the supplements and get full benefits of the root cause protocol. Now, this technology, if you want to know more about this technology, you can just uh, scan this barcode and get to know more about this technology, or you can just check the link at the bottom of this and get to know more about this technology and what it can help you achieve. You cannot just activate many supplements, but you can do a whole lot more with this technology. So just click the link or the scan the barcode in order to know more about this technology and take advantage of it as much as you can.